Adding fractions with whole numbers. A plus b by c equal to a into c plus b whole divided by c. Adding fractions with like denominators. A by b plus d by b equal to a plus d whole divided by b. Adding fractions with different denominators. A by b plus c by d equal to a into d plus b into c whole divided by b into d. Multiplication of fractions. A by b into c by d equal to ac by bd. Division of fractions. A by b divided by c by d equal to a by b into d by c.